how to get Artemis on Evony. So as long as this event is currently going on, not this one, but currently the historic general summoning, then of course there will be a chance to obtain Artemis through summon. However, if this event is going on, the starry pilgrimage, then the chances of getting her will be higher since Artemis will be a guaranteed within the next time after summoning for 5 times, and the chance of getting Artemis will be increased by a percentage and during a event which is specifically the starry pilgrimage. But even if the starry pilgrimage is not available, then as long as you go to the general summoning, you will be able to see that you have a chance to get Artemis. So, summoning generals need to consume the epic historic general glory though, which can be obtained from the 5th tier of packages in big festivals. There's also this event, which is the new moon voyage. So if you want to know more information on how you could technically get Artemis through here, it's basically this procedure, which is the new moon shop, which we just showed, the starry epic package, which will give you an epic historic general premium. You can use this new moon shop again, starlet chest. There's a certain chest that you will get epic historic general premium again when you open the chest. And finally, one moon necklace can be exchanged for one chest and can be exchanged a total of 4 times during the event. But that's a bit of information you can put in mind in order to get Artemis. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.